Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We now have this stunning Audi SQ5 TFSI V6 Tiptronic, powered by the outstanding 3-litre 349 bhp engine and the Audi famous quattro all-wheel drive system, making better quality driving all year round. The gorgeous white colour is enhanced by the black exterior features, including the roof rails, window surrounds, grille with surround and badging. We also have the very impressive quad exhaust system. Finishing off the exterior beautifully, we have the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke star design contrasting grey diamond cut alloys. This Audi benefits from the LED headlights featuring Q signature design with LED rear lights and dynamic rear indicators, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. To the rear of the car, we have this very spacious boot, giving you more than enough room for shopping or luggage. It also comes with a powered tailgate, perfect for if your hands are full of shopping or if you're ever in a rush. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside too. The interior certainly does not disappoint with the black leather upholstery with light checkered contrast stitching and the S embossing on the front seat, which is paired perfectly with the black headlining as well as the door and dash inserts. Adding comfort and luxury to every drive, the front seats are heated as well as being electrically adjustable. On the dash we have the upgraded flat-bottomed 3-spoke leather high-multifunction steering wheel, coming with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive, and the multi-function helping you safely and easily control the very impressive Audi virtual cockpit, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 7-inch coloured MMI screen featuring the likes of Bluetooth interface, DAB digital radio, satellite navigation for all of the unknown roads, Audi smartphone interface, as well as other car settings including the Audi Drive Select features, helping to improve the efficiency as well as performance. It also displays the upgraded rear view camera, helping with all your sticky parking situations. This Audi comes with 3-zone climate control, not only giving yourself and your front seat passenger access to their own heating, but also the back seat passengers. Here we also have the 3-way heated seats controls. Just below we have the stop start go button, the infotainment device control panel, the automatic gear stick with the electronic handbrake, and just underneath the armrest we also have your USB ports as well as additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.